Hello and welcome to my button making activity. Here we have a button machine which we'll be using very soon, and I will just show you what you'll be needing for today's activity. So these metal pieces for button making, cut out acetate paper in the shape of a circle, magazine images of your choice for an image that you particularly like. For my case, for example, it's gonna be an eagle, and you're also gonna need a paper cutter like this one over here. So once you select basically an image that you like, you'll just place it into the paper cutter, as I'm doing right here. Find the way you want it to look, and then just press down, like this. And then you get a perfectly circular image. So my eagle is ready. You would be doing the same thing for the acetate paper that you'll need. This one over here, a transparent piece of paper. Mine's already cut out into a circle, so it's easier for this demonstration. For the button machine, it's fairly simple. You have these two parts over here, and you'll be needing to put this piece over here, as so, on top of this part of the button machine. Then you place the image of your choice, in my case the eagle, on top, and then the acetate piece of paper on top of the image. Then you rotate the machine and place this other part over here. And this part has two sides, so you want to make sure you don't have this side, but you had a more zigzaggy side in a horizontal manner facing you. Now your button is ready to be pressed, and all you have to do is pull the lever. Well, actually push the lever. Like this. Lift it. Rotate. Do the same thing. And your button is actually ready. This is a fun and easy activity to do. All it requires is some cool magazine images or some drawings of your choice. So I hope you enjoyed this demonstration, and hopefully you get a chance to try it yourself.